Let's look at this SMD resistor, which has a marking of 25X. The marking looks a little confusing. There's a table to refer to called the EIA 96 marking rule table. Let's have a look. 25X can be broken down to 25 and X. From our table, we can see that code 25 corresponds to 178. X is the multiplier, which in this case is 10 to the power of -1, which equals 0.1. So now we have 178 multiplied by 0.1, which is of course 17.8. So the value of our resistor is 17.8 ohms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics videos.